Guys, this is some good quality work right there. So guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And guess what, guys? This guy did a fabulous, and I mean a fabulous job. So my car went from this to this. Yes, guys, I have tinted the windows on my Volvo, and this guy did a very fantastic job. Link in the description below. He's a mobile mechanic. He does Georgia, South Carolina, and North Carolina, I think. Maybe in Florida, who knows? If you pay him enough, he'll do it. He's a mobile window tinter. He did my Mazda, he did my Volvo. This is the perfect guy for you guys. So link in the description below if you want to hit him up. He does a very good job. So as you can see, guys, I did as a request. He did as I requested. So basically, you can still see through the entire car. If you want to keep your windows closed in your car shell, I mean, you can open them up. But what a beautiful, and I just put ceramic coating on here, but what a beautiful job of window tinting he did. This racing visor here, guys, it was originally blue, as you can see. Let's see if you can see, that was a blue. I wasn't gonna wait 3 months for the right one to come in Sweden, so I had them tinted to the maximum tint. Now it's black and looking beautiful. So I highly recommend this guy. This car looks extremely dope now from a distance. Love it. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving a 10 from the 6 Series.